Welcome to our deep dive into the world of production systems, where we explore the differences between capital-intensive and labor-intensive models. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is production in an economic context? Production is the process of combining various material and immaterial inputs to make something for consumption. It's how raw materials become finished goods or services. This process relies on the factors of production: land, labor, and capital. Today, we're focusing on the mix of labor and capital. Next, let's examine capital-intensive production. What defines this system? Capital-intensive production relies heavily on machinery, equipment, and technology rather than human labor. Think automation and massive scale. Industries like oil refining, car manufacturing, and chemical processing are prime examples, requiring significant investment in high-tech infrastructure. The advantages are clear: higher efficiency, the ability to achieve economies of scale, and consistent product quality due to standardized machine operation. However, capital-intensive methods come with drawbacks, primarily the extremely high initial investment and fixed costs. Now let's switch gears and explore the opposite end of the spectrum: labor-intensive production. Labor-intensive production relies heavily on human skill and effort, with less investment in technology and machinery. Think artisanal crafts or complex assembly tasks. Common labor-intensive industries include agriculture, textiles, and services like catering, where human interaction or delicate manual work is essential. Advantages include a lower initial startup cost, greater flexibility to adapt to market changes, and easier customization of products or services. The main disadvantages include potentially higher per-unit labor costs, lower productivity compared to machines, and dependence on a skilled workforce. So how does a business decide which production system is right for them? The choice is influenced by several factors: the relative cost of capital versus labor, the required scale of production, and the location, which affects labor availability and cost. Many modern companies adopt a hybrid approach, balancing capital and labor to leverage the strengths of both systems for optimal efficiency and quality. In summary, the production system chosen is critical to a company's structure and profitability. Understanding whether production is capital or labor-intensive reveals a lot about a company's operations, costs, and strategic direction. Thank you for watching.